A live look at Reagan National Airport tonight. Folks, if you have a flight this weekend through Monday, the airport says expect widespread flight cancellations. Want to get now to News 4's Joseph Olmo, who's joining us live from DCA. Joseph, we know a lot of people there bracing for a travel nightmare this weekend.
Indeed, Mauricio. Listen, I'm going to try to make this as easy as possible. If you're not flying right at this exact moment, 6:06 p.m. on Saturday, chances are your flight tomorrow and maybe even Monday is going to be canceled. This up here, this departure board, all this orange you see, this is nothing compared to what we're expecting to see tomorrow. A few cancellations up on the board. You can see that with the orange highlights there. This entire board is going to be orange tomorrow. I'll tell you why in a second. Well, we all know why. It's because of the snow, but I'll give you the exact numbers in a second. Right now, calm, cool, and collected here at DCA the night before the storm, or just a couple hours before the storm. We caught up with a couple people who are headed out before the storm is headed in.
I'm going to San Francisco.
I'm heading back home to Atlanta.
DC's home, but I'm going to Miami. I'm not. I'm escaping the snow. I can't do it. I got to get out of here.
You know that you're like one of the last people to fly out of this airport before it shuts down tomorrow?
Am I now?
You are.
Praise God.
Does it feel like you're winning the lottery?
It does.
I was supposed to fly out tomorrow, but my parents changed it to today so I could beat the snow and get to school on time.
Smart parents. Can we wave parents? Can we show these guys? Smart parents, huh? Because you knew you weren't going anywhere tomorrow.
Nope.
Golden rule, listen to mom and dad. Hey guys, in the meantime, the plows are out here at DCA. Get a look at the size of these things, like 2 school buses combined. Well, 7 of those massive machines, these snow plows, are going to be driving up and down the runway all at one time to clear the snow off and to hopefully prevent it from accumulating too much. Because, you know, if you get to, I was told by airport officials here, if it gets to more than 1 inch an hour, you pretty much got to shut everything down. Here's the deal, Mauricio. 96% of the flights that were supposed to take off or land at DCA tomorrow, they are off the table. So you probably have more chance winning the lottery than you do flying out of the DC area tomorrow.
Yeah, Joseph, it looks calm there. It's going to be even more calm tomorrow with all those cancellations.